Hello everyone. Today I'm just gonna discuss a real scenario case where we have to build the application as per the business requirement. And the business requirement is that we have the data in a data source, which can be a OneDrive or the SharePoint. And that data we just need to reflect into the application in the structured format, and also it should have the view, edit or update and delete feature in your application. So user can see the data into your application, and user can go into the more deep dive for that particular record. And if user just want to update or delete that record, so that should also be available into your application. So the solution for this business requirement is the Power Apps application is here. So I'm just going to show the application which I have built as per the business requirement. So I have the data on the data source, which I have connected with the Power Apps. And here you can see all the data is reflecting into the structured manner. And here I have given these two buttons, which is related to the view and delete. If I just click on a delete button, so it will take the confirmation from the user before delete that record. So this pop-up will come in front of the user, which says, are you sure you want to delete this record? If user click on a delete, then that record will get deleted. And if user click on a cancel, then it will remain the same. So let's take an example that I just want to delete this second record, which is E02832. If I just click on this delete, and if I give the confirmation by clicking on this delete, so it deleted the data from my data source. And now here you can see instantly your application is also updated. That record is no longer available into your application. So instantly it will update your data source, and here also you will see the changes instantly. So this feature I have just given that after the confirmation only the record will get deleted, because it might be the chances that by mistake user has clicked on this delete button. So without taking the confirmation from the user, this record should not get deleted. So the delete feature is here now. Second feature, that is a view. If you see that for this record, we have this employee ID, employee name, business unit, job title, and country for this employee. Now, if I just want to see the more about this employee, so if I just click on this view, so it will show this page to the user where all the rest information user can see. That what is the job title, then country, age, annual salary, business unit, and everything. So this is the view feature where user can click on the view and user can see all the information about that employee. Now the last feature as per the requirement, that if user just want to update any of the fields for that particular record. So let's take an example that for this first employee, the job title is the director, and I just want to update this job title from director to senior director. So I will just click on this view, and here I have just given the feature, the two feature I have implemented, that user can view as well and user can make the changes and update it. So instead of this director, if I make this to the senior director, and once I just click on the update, so now it is updating. Now it is updated. And now if I go back to my data source, so now here you can see in my application instantly the changes has been reflected. So this application is working absolutely fine as per the business requirement, where you have the delete, then the view, edit or the update, all these features you have. Thank you so much.